everyone, this is Francis from SINOMADA. Now we are at the HELI factory. HELI forklift is one of the top forklift manufacturers in China. HELI has been leading the industry for 33 years straight, which is a huge achievement. HELI forklifts are known for its high performance and being reliable, trusted by business all over the world. So I'll show you around and give you a closer look at what makes the factory and what makes the product so impressive. So let's go. Behind me is the HELI workshop. Let's go. Okay, what we are seeing now is 3.5 tons forklift of K2 series. K2 series is the most economic models among HELI diesel forklifts, and the 3.5 tons is the best-selling forklifts among HELI. K2 series forklifts are equipped with the Tier 4 emission standard Quanchai engine, which is under this seat. This forklift is equipped with 2-stage 5 meters. It is optional, but the standard Mast is 2-stage 3 meters. For small models of forklift, all these tires are equipped with pneumatic tires. This is CST-brand. About transportation, it can be loaded in 20 feet containers or 40 feet containers. 114 containers can load at most 4 units. Welcome to inquire. Okay, now we have finished our tours today in HELI factory. So please be free to contact me if you have any interest in any machines. Bye bye.